slightly different video for you today. I am doing an unboxing of the Octunnumi. Every book is a promise, an invitation to far away, to the unseen, the unknown, the untravelled. This is a gift. Welcome to the Octunnumi. Now, pretty excited about this book. I've been on the waiting list for ages because the first batch sold out pretty damn quickly, so I'm just going to dive straight into it. Fancy looking little box to reveal this gorgeous piece of packaging. Now, I love and appreciate a nice bit of Now, a little bit of background on the Octunnumi. It is a prologue of a series that is yet to be released. It's all seems very, very, very secretive. You can only purchase it from the website. Well, of course there's a book. Why wouldn't there be a book? And about the Octunnumi, of course. And did I know about this? No, but it seems there's a lot I don't know about just lately. And how is this even possible? How have any reports transferred so completely? I mean, it's all here, all of it. Nothing lost in translation. I mean, before there was only the notion, the idea, but now this. Well, this changes everything. I am not sure there is any going back from this. There is no one knowing, no one seeing. That's the thing about truth. It's hard to return to where you were before. So unless you're prepared to do something, anything, to move in the sight, direction of my words of advice are simples. Don't read it, don't even look at it. Put it down, go do something else. Because once you know, you know. That is ridiculously exciting. As a huge fantasy fan, particularly of Terry Pratchett, Neil Gaiman, people like that, this really excites me. I feel as though it's in their vein. From what I've heard, it sounds a bit like Harry Potter if it was written by Neil Gaiman, which I'm completely down for. Ooh, that stuck quite well. Oh, I don't like ripping paper. Let's move that to one side. Oh, I hope that's not too loud. Oh, God, that book has some weight to it. I'm saying it's a paperback. That is really hefty. Black edged pages, beautiful. I'd call it spot UV. Beautiful little laminated elements. For our tomorrows are made of yesterdays. Now it feels as though there is the Fosbit files prologue. Definition areas. I'm not going to open it too far to spoil anything. But there is a little book of definitions. Ooh, and pronunciations. Oh, that is incredible. That is genius. Oh, I wish all books came with one of those. Oh wow, I've only just noticed the welcome home on the underside. Now this cost, I think it's around 25 of my Great British pounds. Only arrived this morning and I'm really excited. It's really thick. Is there anything I can read about the Fosbit file? The Octunnumi does not exist. So this is all on their website. I recommend you go to website is there. Is the website link in here? So the author Trevor Allen Foris, published by Scariad. Ooh, a fancy looking publishing house. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Augmented reality. I'm going to have to find out about that. And it also supports Good Heart Animal Sanctuaries, which is absolutely incredible. The Octunnumi. An ongoing entity, existence, series, or whole that lasts, endures, maintains, and retains, whether as an establishment, course, or action. So this is just the prologue. So whether Trevor is some kind of fictional character, or whether he is an actual author, I'm not sure. Commendations. All of those appear to be fictional. I absolutely love it. There we go. the-octunnumi.com. Incredible. Now, as much as I would absolutely adore to do an audiobook of this, I'm simply not audiobooking anything under 100 years old in case of copyright. But this is just divine. It's supposed to be a big series as well. I'm quite excited. I didn't want to do too much research because I didn't want to read anything that might spoil it, but I'll probably do a review. I might even do a review halfway through. Maybe at the end, we shall see. Either way, very excited. I highly recommend you get your hands on one purely for that experience. I think I'm going to use this as a bookmark, as I'm sure I will use the pronunciations and the dictionaries a lot of the time, particularly when reading books like the Tolkien, not necessarily The Lord of the Rings, but Children of Hurin and books like that with lots and lots of Elvish names. A lot of the times you probably don't know how to pronounce them, and it's really easy to lose track. So this is incredible. And I do believe I will end up using some of these words in real life because that is exactly the sort of person that I am. Lovely. Let's clear that up. And I'm sure I will see you all around soon. Happy reading.